You and your friends have decided to go deep-sea fishing off the coast of Oregon. You are headed out in the Pacific Ocean in search of halibut, rockfish, salmon, and tuna. Things are going smoothly, and the ocean is beautiful. You're over 100 miles out to sea when suddenly, midday, a storm rolls in and the sky goes dark. A violent storm tosses the boat around. Lightning strikes the boat, zapping out all electronic communication and navigation equipment. The electronic surge has started a fire, and it's spreading quickly. Barely able to hold on, you realize the boat is going to sink. It's been hours since any sighting of land. One of your friends launches an inflatable raft. The only resource you have on you are waterproof matches in your pocket. Before abandoning the boat, which will sink in just minutes, you have the opportunity to grab 3 additional items from the sinking motorboat. I will list 15 items that are within your reach. Choose the 3 you think will prove most valuable. Your goal is survival. This means getting rescued, but it also means staying alive long enough to get rescued. You have 5 minutes before the boat sinks, and the items are out of your reach. Good luck.